Lately, I've been working on balancing the masculine and feminine energies within me, bringing them together as one, allowing me to combine their forces in synergy, creating an energy of unity, balance, strength, and groundedness. With a center so strong and power deeply rooted, creating a vessel of self assurance, having the confidence to create anything as one, with structure and flow, fully expressing what is and seeing everything as it is, letting go of personal bias and judgment, creating a space for them to coexist. As obstacles appear, having clarity and accuracy to navigate and fill into them. Becoming one to understand and transcend each obstacle with open-mindedness, strength, compassion, leadership, and collaboration, co-creating with the infinite space around us and others. When you allow the feminine to flow in the structure of the masculine, you define where it can go, but not what it can fully do. It is through this collaboration you can fully express yourself and embrace the present moment as it is, seeing everything come together and realizing that you created it. That thought or intention became something physical. Your actions led you to this moment. You consciously chose to shape your experience and take the responsibility for your actions, allowing yourself to receive the reality you have created. This push and pull is taking control and letting go, a foundational experience of the human experience, as we navigate through various challenges and opportunities. So, let go and take control. In the silence and the flow of it all, you will know one thing. You have reached inner harmony and balance within, leading to greater harmony, growth, and a more meaningful experience. Sometimes, it's essential to take control and take charge of our lives in order to actualize our dreams and goals. Other times, it's necessary to surrender and let go of the need to control every outcome, allowing life to unfold naturally. It is in this process we discover the art of living, a continuous journey of self-discovery, growth, and transformation. Embracing both aspects, allowing us to find wholeness and balance in the face of life's complexities and uncertainties, empowering us to lead fulfilling and purposeful lives. Shoot, I wish I would have recorded that. That was really good. Maybe next time.